To our top story now, more drama unfolded in Uttar Pradesh's Hathras. TMC MP Derek O'Brien was pushed to the ground by the UP police after he tried to convince them to send two women MPs to meet the Hathras victims' family. The UP cops even manhandled TMC MP Kakoli Ghosh and Pratibha Mondal. They were in fact misbehaved with by the UP male police officers. The TMC delegation has now been stopped by the UP police just 1.5 kilometers from the victim's home in Hathras and not allowed to go ahead. They are sitting on a silent dharna until they are allowed to meet the victim's family. Remember, even yesterday, Congress MP Rahul Gandhi was pushed to the ground by UP cops while he was walking on the Yamuna Express Highway to Hathras. Yesterday, the officials declared the village a containment zone after 3 cops tested positive for COVID-19. Section 144 has been imposed in Hathras. The Congress, meanwhile, is holding protests in other parts of the country. Protests were held in Bengaluru and Puducherry, demanding justice for the Hathras victims' family and also over the Gandhis being held yesterday.
We appreciate what you're doing.
Yeah.
But just let Pratibha Mondal, our Lok Sabha MP, the visuals are there. Forget about me being pushed. That's not important.
Okay.
A male, arrogant UP official pushed her on the ground. You saw that.
Okay. Yes. Yes.
So listen to her
on the
story.
ground. Yes.
हम उसके माँ की चरण छूकर उनका तकलीफ से क्या हो रहा है ये पूछना चाहते हैं, तकलीफ का ममता बनर्जी जानना चाहती है और हमें ऐसा रोका दिया। अरे अकेले जाएंगे तो कौन सा 144 का और वो होगा 144। देश का लोकतंत्र रहेगी, देश में लोकतंत्र है, लेकिन भाजपा लोकतंत्र को खत्म करना चाहता है। देश के नारी को भाजपा पर हल्ला बोलना चाहिए क्योंकि माँ बहने बिटिया खतरे में है भारत में अभी।
और हम लोगों को आपने देखे वीडियो में आपको पूरा कैमरा भी लगे हुए थे। ड्राइवर भैया ने गिर गया, मेरे को पीछे खीसे से मेरे को ब्लाउज पकड़ के खींच रहे थे। जोगी आदित्यनाथ जोगी के जो ये है स्टेट है वो जो है पुलिस को उसने लोगों को मरने के लिए छोड़ दिया है।
We requesting for 2 MPs to allow for 2 Mahila MPs. So they are not allowing, not even allowing. That cops didn't say anything. When he requesting, just give shut his mouth. And when we are trying to go inside, that time he touched me, he pushed me. How dare he?
Ma'am, will you file a complaint? Will Mamta Banerjee take note of it?
I will talk to Madam Mamta Banerjee, who sent us, and Derek will tell him.
Sure.
Actually, they are the senior leader. I will do with their guidance.
Tanushree Pandey is reporting from Hathras, joining us live with all the very latest details, reporting every detail of the story from ground zero. Tanushree, I'm throwing straight across to you. Bring us the latest as far as the political face-off that is going on is concerned.
Well, in the last 10 minutes, absolutely nothing has changed, Chetty. These MPs, Derek O'Brien, Kakoli Ghosh is there, and the other 2 female MPs. They told us on record, and we have the visuals playing on the screen. Mr. O'Brien was pushed. The 2 female MPs told us that we were manhandled by the UP cops here on the ground, just 1.5 kilometers away from the victim's family. All we wanted to do, we understand there's a law and order situation. We understand there's section 144 in place, and that is why all we wanted to do is send 2 of our female MPs to just go meet the victim's family for one time, express our solidarity, express our condolences and come back. But is this a crime to meet a rape victim's family in India? This is what the MPs have told us. Mr. Derek O'Brien have told us, and they are sitting here. They are, in fact, he told me that he has suffered some kind of injury because he was pushed to the ground, and MPs are sitting here on a dharna. I asked them categorically what is going to be their next course of action, and they told me that they are going to file a complaint because this is absolutely unprecedented that the cops have pushed member of parliament, they have manhandled female MPs, and I categorically asked them that were you being pushed? It's a big allegation. Were you being pushed by male cops? They categorically, female MPs told me that yes, we were being pushed by male cops. And Mamata Banerjee is watching everything live. We are going to make sure, she's going to make sure that a strict and a proper action is being taken against the administration and against the UP police corps. This is what the MPs, the TMC delegation have told us. They are sitting here on a dharna. They are saying as soon as until and unless they are not being allowed to go inside and meet the victim's family, they are going to sit here on a dharna, and also they are going to file a complaint. They have the visuals on their phones, and they are saying if we have all the recordings, we have every proof, and we are going to make sure that these cops who manhandled us and did not let us go inside, meet the victim's family, and action is being taken against them. So, and you can see there the bandobast is completely maintained. It's intact as of now, and police officers are not letting media, any politician, absolutely anybody to move an inch further. And this kind of a police bandobast is here about 1.5 kilometers away from the victim's family at Bulgari village in Hathras, in UP's Hathras. Barricades are on. The police officials are standing. And in fact, one of the senior official was here a short while back. I asked him that an allegation has been made by the TMC MP that your cops pushed them, manhandled them. It's a serious allegation. Can you say no? Can you say no? This has not happened. So she was silent. So in fact, I think she also did not have any defense. Maybe they are about to see the visuals now, and then they will reply. Then they will
ended
come
up
up with a
speaking
defense.
to
But as of now,
the
situation on the
MPs who were heckled, and there was a face-off that has been caught on camera. The visuals are on our screens at the moment as well. You got a reaction from the MPs as well. What did they tell you in terms of what next? Because they were heckled. What is their plan of action going forward?
Well, Chaiti, as of now, they are just taking 5 minutes of rest. They told the media that if you can just let us catch hold of our breath, because we also have been injured. And I asked them categorically that what is going to be your next future course of action. And ma'am just told me that we are going to sit here until and unless on a dharna, until and unless we are not allowed by the UP police to go inside and meet the victim's family. Secondly, she told me that we are going to file a complaint. Everything has been recorded by our members also, by TMC members also. And Mamata Banerjee, Chief Minister of West Bengal, is watching everything live. So she and here on the ground, we are going to make sure that we file a complaint and take proper action against the cops who have pushed, manhandled not just female MPs but member of parliaments also. So this is going to be their next future course of action, that they are, as of now, they are sitting on a dharna here just 1.5 kilometers away from the victim's family, victim's home in fact, and they are going to sit here until unless they are not given permission to move further. Also, they are going to file a complaint. This is what the MPs have just told me on record.
All right. Speaking of which, stay with us, Tanushree. Let's play that out for you. Tanushree ended up speaking to the MPs as well, and this is their first up reaction. And this is exactly what happened a short while ago when the Trinamool Congress MPs reached Hathras.
यहाँ से सिर्फ 1 किलोमीटर है। हमारा 2 सांसद जाएंगे। आप जाइए अभी।
Sir, let's go. If they allow 2 women MPs.
Yes, 2 women MPs.
Yeah.
2 women, महिला जाओ।
Sir, 2 women MPs है। 2 women MPs है। हाँ, जाइए। ठीक है। नहीं, ये तो 2 MPs है ना। Ma'am, 1 second. So as you can see, he is Derek O'Brien. He is a TMC MP, and there are 2 women TMC leaders here. They want to share. They want to meet the victim's family and basically pay condolence to the victim's family. And as you can see, media was already barred. Media was already restrained. Section 144 in place, and now just these 2 women MPs want to go, and the police is not.
दोनों जाएंगे, अलाउ करेंगे।
मैम आप अलाउ कर देंगे इनको? ये
बस दो महिला MPs जाएंगे इनके पास। जाएंगे सर?
नहीं, हम नहीं बता पाएंगे इसका।
नहीं मैम, बट
मैडम।
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.